Looks pretty good warm up across the valley today. Temperatures up into the upper 80s in most locations. Actually 94 in Rio Grande City right now, 81 at the beach. It has been a warm day across the area, and tomorrow looks even warmer than this. Some parts of the valley will probably touch 100 tomorrow afternoon. Now, these are the dew points, and you remember the dew point, the higher that number, the more uncomfortable it feels, the more humid it is outside. We'll put the average of about 69 on the muggy meter, so we're way up into the muggy category, and some places already up into the low 70s, so it's a sticky evening out there across the valley. A big contrast from yesterday, that south to southeasterly wind bringing a lot of moisture in. Low temperatures tonight will be in the mid 70s, so above average for this time of year. That's more like June. And then look at tomorrow's highs. 100 Rio Grande City, mid to upper 90s across Hidalgo County, mid 90s from Raymondville down to Brownsville, where it's 91, and then about 88 on South Padre Island. A very warm day across the area. Tomorrow is that day before the front. Front comes in tomorrow night, and then look at Saturday. We've actually dropped it down a couple more degrees. 79 for the high, and then Sunday 82. The seasonal norm is 85. We'll be well below that Saturday and Sunday, but well above that tomorrow, pushing the record. The record's 98. Now, satellite shows nothing right now, and it ought to stay clear tonight if you want to step outside and look for the International Space Station, once again visible. Start by going out and looking straight to the north, and at 9:04, it's going to show up just off to the left a little bit, go about 42 degrees above the horizon. That's halfway from here to straight up, about halfway. That's about where it ought to be at its highest point. It takes 3 minutes to go across the sky. It is moving really quickly. It'll disappear at about 9:07. So go look north, watch it go left to right across the sky, 9:04 to 9:07 tonight. It looks like just a fast moving star. Just there's people up there on that little dot. Let's watch future tracking. It says by 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, skies are still mainly clear, so you should be able to see it. Overnight patchy clouds do show up. They'll be here early, but by afternoon, partly sunny skies take over. And when that happens, temperatures are off to the races. Again, upper 90s to near 100. Then Saturday morning, the front comes in, probably triggering showers, possibly triggering strong thunderstorms early in the morning on Saturday. That bears watch. Will do that. I think there's a better chance of strong storms to the north, but we could see one or two here as well. But by Saturday afternoon, the north wind brings dry air in. Turns out gorgeous. In fact, our only chance of rain is overnight tomorrow night and early morning Saturday. Aside from that, we're dry. Rest of Texas, look at this. It's hot. 95 in Odessa, 93 in Abilene, 90 in Dalhart right now. So our 89, one of the cooler readings on the map. You see not much associated with anything right now. Pretty quiet day. A few showers showing up out west. But again, the big deal is when that front comes through tomorrow night, early Saturday morning. With that, the chance for a shower or thunderstorm. So partly cloudy, warm and humid tonight, a low of 73, southeast winds. Then tomorrow some clouds early, but then it just turns mostly sunny and hot. High tomorrow, an average of 95. Western part of the valley probably touching 100. Saturday, Sunday, cooler, a shower thunderstorm in the morning Saturday, but by afternoon the sun comes out. Sun's with us Sunday and most of next week. After Saturday's front, doesn't look like we see another chance of rain until the following Saturday, about a week between fronts. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.